Super pumped to bring you this because I've got an easy and free beginner bodyweight program for 2023. And the reason why I wanted to make this video is because yes, I do have my paid program. You can click the link below. It's called Beginner Bodyweight Basics, and it's got a members only Discord community and a whole program in place that guides you step by step, every single way of exactly what to do, the food, the nutrition, all that good stuff. I'll talk a little bit more about it, but I wanted to put this easy and free program out there because of the fact, since I do have the paid program, for anybody that's not able to invest in it for whatever reasons, I wanted you to have access to this. See, I did put out a really cool version of this back in 2020. I put a free beginner bodyweight plan or a beginner workout program for 2020, summer 2020 plan, whatever it was. And I put that out there, got a few hits, but I wanted to remake this for 2023 because we've got almost 99 videos on the channel. Well, we do have 99 workout videos, and workout number 100 is not out yet, but it will be a banger, so stay tuned. But I wanted to make this because why I say 2023, and I'm shooting this video now, we got 4 months to go. Well, anytime I've gotten in amazing good shape, it's taken me about 16 weeks. And I say that anytime I've gotten in great shape because of the fact, once you've already built up a substantial amount of muscle and you've been working out for a while, and if I let my physique go, which I try not to do too much, but I'll be honest with you, I can fluctuate almost 20 pounds. It sucks. Like, I was a former fat kid. I've got these fat cells in my body. They're not going anywhere, right? They're here forever, unless I get them sucked out. I'm not doing that. But it's so important that I spend the time getting in shape, and it takes me about 16 weeks on average if I'm gonna get in like photo shoot shape, if I'm at my absolute worst. These days I don't try and stay that out of shape because I feel like I have a huge mission to accomplish here, and I've got to motivate and lead by example and preach what I practice, not necessarily practice what I preach. So I'm trying to educate and inform everybody of great ways to stay in shape, and so I've got to do it. I've got to look the part, and I've got to be the part. But why I'm putting this out early, 2023 free plan, because if you spend the next 16 weeks now, I think you can make a lot of headway. Now, it doesn't mean that like it takes everybody 16 weeks to get in great shape, right? Because if like I said, if I let my physique go a little bit and I don't have the right nutrition in place, that's where my body goes to the wayside, because I always can stay in relatively okay shape. My worst, absolute worst would be like, for me at 5'11" is 225 pounds. That's like red flag city, actually 215, because I hit it earlier this year, got around 215, 217 one day, and I'm like, whoa, what am I doing? So I've got to get my body back on track. But generally, if I was at that point, it takes me about 16 weeks to get back. So anywho, with that being said, I'm going to break down this video. I'm going to show you step by step of exactly what I would do for the next 16 weeks using my YouTube channel for free. And if you're a beginner, you can do it all with body weight only at the comfort of your own home without needing any exercise equipment or anything like that. It definitely will help if you get some exercise equipment in the future, especially like a suspension trainer, for example, so you can work the backside of your body. But we're just gonna break it down right now, week by week, and I'm gonna show you the 4 phases of what I would do. So phase number 1, all right, we have 4 phases. Each phase is 4 weeks long. All right, phase 1, we're just gonna start off and we're gonna do 10 minutes a day of activity. The workouts are gonna be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you're just working out for 10 minutes a day. Every other day that you're not working out, you're gonna be walking. Now, as a bonus, I know I said 10 minutes a day, but on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, when you do those body weight workouts, I would encourage you to go walk afterwards. So it's gonna be 20 minutes. But if you did nothing and you just decided to do 10 minutes a day, I'd encourage you Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do the body weight workouts that I'm gonna have listed here. And then also you just walk every other day. So you'd have 3 days of workouts totaling 30 minutes a week. And then you'd have 4 days of walking, which is 40 minutes a week. That's a start. I just gotta get you to move, all right? This isn't gonna be like the ultimate best plan in the world. There's so many different plans that are unique and different. But like I said, I do have my beginner bodyweight basics plan that if you join the community and you join the Discord, you'll get access to me, all the other members in a positive, uplifting, and very helpful community. They'll be able to guide you there. I post all my stuff, as you can see right here, my diet and nutrition, what I'm eating every day. If you have questions, I'll be able to answer those. Also, you can see over here the general tab. This is where everybody hangs out. We we talk, we chit chat, all that good stuff, and we just hang out. And so if you want a cool place to hang out and interact and not feeling like you're left alone, that's the place to be. But anyways, back to the program. I just want to let you know what that's like because it's super important. I tell you because I want you to have access to the best, and I'm here for you to make sure that you get in the best shape possible. All right, so that's phase 1. We're working out every single day, 10-minute minimum, okay? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, body weight workout. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, we're walking. As a bonus, I would like for you to walk every single day, especially on those workout days. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday might be 20 minutes a day, okay? That's phase 1. Phase 2, all right, the next 4 weeks. Like I said, each phase is 4 weeks long. Phase 2, we got 20 minutes, okay? And it's gonna be 20 minutes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, and then on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, we're walking 20 minutes. So basically phase 2, we're just gonna double it up, okay? We're gonna repeat those workouts that we did in phase 1 twice. If you'd like, you can mix and match. It's up to you to go through my YouTube channel and find a beginner bodyweight workout, but I'm gonna break it down here in the comments section and down in the description of exactly what I would do, the workouts I would use, but I'm just gonna keep it simple, all right? That's why if you do my other program, I'm gonna lay it out, every individual unique workout's all set there for you. It's in structure. Utilizing my YouTube channel, you gotta do a little bit more homework. You gotta dig through there, but it's okay because it's free, right? So you gotta work for it a little bit, all right? But like I said, phase 2, we're doing 20 minutes a day of activity. So I'd highly encourage you to walk every single day. That's gonna be a bonus if you do that. But at the bare minimum, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you gotta do those bodyweight workouts. So they're gonna be repeated twice, they're 20 minutes long. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, you're doing the walks, 20 minutes, all right? Walking is the #1 way to burn fat, all right? It just is, because it's easy, it's simple to do, and it doesn't get your heart rate skyrocketed super high. But maybe if you are a little bit out of shape or you need to get in better conditioning, walking might make you feel out of breath. And if it does, you need to start doing it every day right now, okay? Phase 3, you guessed it, is gonna be triple. So we're gonna triple down, we have 30 minutes of activity, and then phase 4 is 40 minutes. But phase 3, we got 30 minutes of activity, and we're adding in a 4th day. So we're gonna go a little bit extra, okay? But on this 4th day, I wanna start integrating an extra day of mobility or dynamic stretching. So some of the movements in these exercises and bodyweight routines, you are doing a little bit of movement and stretching, but I wanna make sure that now on this 3rd day, or this phase 3, this 3rd month, that we are actually stretching a little bit more. So we've got 4 days. We've got a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday workout, all right? You're gonna be repeating those workouts 3 times through, or you can mix and match and decide to choose some other workouts you wanna put in from my beginner playlist, all right? They're body weight only, they're friendly, you can check those out. I think there's 88 beginner workouts, 99 follow-on workouts. I don't know how many for beginners. I think there's 88 beginner workouts, but some of the beginner workouts might have weights and stuff in there, but just find the bodyweight ones because you don't need any equipment, especially when you first started training. I do highly recommend doing some sort of bodyweight rows with a suspension trainer, or maybe band-assisted pull-ups, or using a light dumbbell or water bottles to work your back, but that's for another video because I wanted to make a routine that you can get started right now that's super simple and easy, okay? Phase 3, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 30 minutes of workouts, all right? Or repeating the videos 3 times. Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, you're gonna be doing a walk for 40 minutes, or 30 minutes. Bonus, every single day, this is the bonus, walk for 30 minutes a day. Just gotta get out and move. Do something different than you did yesterday, or do something different than you did last month. That's why I like repeating, or that's why I like changing up the program every 4 or 6 weeks, at least every 8 weeks. But if a program's working for you and you keep getting results, by all means, keep doing it. Even the shittiest, or the worst, crappiest program in the world, done effectively and done consistently and trying to improve upon it, could actually get a little bit better. I mean, the program could be squats, lunges, pull-ups, and bodyweight rows, and push-ups, and leg raises. Like, that's a pretty solid program, but if you increase the duration, or the time under tension, or the amount of reps, or the amount of sets, or manipulating one of those variables, you can actually make some progress if your nutrition's in place and you're getting the proper amount of rest, recovery, and hydration, and keeping your stress down, all right? All right, phase 4, we're gonna try and wrap up this video. I don't wanna be too long, but phase 4, we got 40 minutes, all right? We're gonna do those 4 days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, all right? We're doing 40 minutes of exercise, all right? 40 minutes of exercise, meaning you can repeat those videos 4 times. You can mix and match 4 different videos on each one of those days, but I want you working out with your body weight for 40 minutes. And then Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, walking for 40 minutes. As a bonus, it's gonna be a little bit longer, so if you're doing 40 minutes of workout, go for a walk 40 minutes after that. Unless you feel like you're about to pass out or your energy is low, yeah, get a protein shake and maybe a little bit of berries, some fruit, you know, so you can bring your energy levels back up a little bit, and then go for the walk, all right? But I want you walking 40 minutes a day, ideally, all right? And remember, I'm not your doctor, I'm not your registered dietitian or physician or anything like that, so please consult with your primary care physician or your doctor before you even take any of this advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but I am just putting out a little bit of my own 2 cents of what I would like for you to do if you were gonna take my advice. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. I didn't wanna make it too long, so it's ending right now. So go ahead and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. And also, go ahead and click right over here if you wanna check out some of my follow along workouts. Click over here to see the latest video. Click right over there to see the beginner bodyweight basics plan. Is where I put my heart, soul, and energy into for the bodyweight program, if this was just a little too confusing. And then click over here to subscribe. That's simple, right? So thank you so much. I love you, and I can't wait to see you checking out my next video.